Tired of being constantly bothered by Instagram notifications? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to pause all those pesky notifications right from your iPhone. Let's jump right in and sort it out together. First things first, grab your iPhone and open up the Instagram app. Then locate your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and give it a tap. Next step, spot the hamburger menu icon in the upper right corner. Tap on it. Now, from the menu that pops up, select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Notifications. Now, at the top of the Notifications settings, you'll see the option to pause all. Simply toggle it on and choose how long you'd like to mute notifications for. You have the flexibility to silence notifications anywhere from 15 minutes to 8 hours. And there you have it. That's how you pause all notifications on Instagram using your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Oh, and if you're hungry for more Instagram tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.